Yo, what's haps, guys? Groovy vibes. It's an unboxing video, and of course it's my brand new light, and this is the 12-inch white / RGB ring light kit with 360 ball head and 62-inch extendable tripod plus phone holder. So if you guys want to film those TikToks, you know, this is what you use as well. But of course we're just going to use it for YouTube and maybe some TikToks, because I'm not fully on TikTok yet, guys. Hold on, I'm getting there. Of course, you know, I got some videos on there, but not like YouTube. Okay, YouTube for me is where it's at. But anyways, think about this. So last year I unboxed this light right here, the one I'm using. So now a year later we got a bigger one. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Yeah, can we do that? A lot of different colors, and we're gonna try it all out. Good thing I got some scissors, just like that. One side, two sides. Oh, there we go. Smells like chemicals in here. So I'm guessing this is the light. It's pretty big. And this here is the tripod. That's it. Chemical plastics. Open this. Slide this out. Ooh. Wow, this is a serious stand right here. Look at that. Wow. Look at this thing go. Look at that. Oh. Don't want to break it. Okay, that's fine. Wow. Oh, I'm glad it folds up, okay, because I don't want this big thing, you know, just sitting there in the middle of my room. But check this out. It's got 3 knobs. Let's loosen them up and see what this does. Ooh, wow, this thing is massive. Look how, wow. Oh my gosh, this thing is tall. Yeah, it comes right up to my nose, and I'm 6 foot. Oh, wow. And then lock it. Very good. Very good. So that's a serious stand right there. This is some professional stuff. Wow. And of course, if you want to make this taller, yep, and lock it. Well, there you have it. Long. All right, let's bring it down. Yeah, like right here. This is how I would use it right here. Actually, maybe a little lower because the ring is going to be on top. Hold on, let me lock the legs down. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Bunch of clips here we got to lock down. Okay. There, that's not going anywhere. That is sturdy. Absolutely. Very good, very good. Now, let's go ahead and unbox the actual light now. Whoa. Here's some instructions. Here's the, oh, this is the phone thing. This is if you want to do TikToks on there. Okay. Big light. I was like, hold on, what is this for? But I was like, wait, this is the plugging in. So yeah, I gotta find one of those charging port things now to plug in this little guy right here. So yeah, let me go find one real fast. We got the little remote. Yeah, LED lights. Okay, hold on everyone, let's go find a little thingy. We are back, guys. I found an Apple one right there. Hopefully the Apples will let this one be used, right? Because if they're like, oh wait, this is an Apple product, we're not gonna let you use that, huh? You think you can use our products for something else? I don't think so. But as much money as I pay, you know, for these products, these Apple products, you know, they better. Alright, clips right in. Now let's go find a outlet. Oh, there's one right there. There we go. Oh wait, maybe I should stick this on first. Here we go, everyone. So check this out. Let's stick this on. Hold on. Maybe. Wait. So check this out. This unscrews right here. This is just some lid for the screw right there. And round, around, around. There we go. Oh, wire went around too. Now we just need to plug this in. Okay, it's plugged in, but you can't really see it, so let me screw this down right there, so now you can see it. Oh, is it still plugged in? Yeah, it's plugged in. Okay, okay, okay. Does this need batteries? Because I don't have those circle batteries, alright? So they're very confusing. I don't know what size, how everything works like that. Oh, I think there is actually. Okay, okay. Yeah, I think there might be one in there. Alright, we're good. Let's try it. So we got on, off, plus, triangle, minus, W, R, green, blue. I think that's what that is. And lights, 16 million, alright, whatever. Oh, for maybe how long? Okay. Here we go. Let's try it. And it's not on. Hello? The Apple thing's not letting it, huh? That's what it is. Seriously? Come on. Really? Am I missing some instructions? Is there an on and off switch, or is it just the remote? Oh my god, really? What am I doing wrong? What is going on around here? Oh, that's why we have the instructions. Oh. Wait a second, there's a switch here on the actual wire, just like this one. But what is this remote for? Do I need to turn it on here? This is very confusing. Alright, let's see if this works. Hold on. Let me try it from here. Oh yeah, look. Wow! Wow! Does it pick up on the camera? But why isn't the remote working? That's the real question. Okay, so there's the normal light. Brightness. Yeah, like see, it's getting lower, higher, super bright, warm. You guys see what I see? So I got the remote to work, and this is what you gotta do. You gotta point it down where the buttons are on the wire, and it's like off. Look, wait, hold on, watch. So you guys know what I'm doing. Watch this. Hold on. See, look at that. On, off, on, red. Hold on, is it reaching? Hold on, how does this work? Hello? Okay, I think I got it now. Here we go, we gotta point it down. So we gotta push this button right here in the middle for the colors. So look, green, red, blue. What else we got? Anything else? Purple. It's like a light blue, light green. Yeah. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, the lights, but anyways, can you guys see me? But that's pretty interesting though. It's gonna be really fun to use. Very happy about that. Anyways, okay, so I found out this right here. Come on, open! This is for the light. See this right here? Plug this in. Screw it like that. Put it back on. god, the wires. Oh, what just happened? Oh, you can unplug this? I didn't know you can unplug that. I thought I broke it for a second. I was like, oh, there goes that. Oh my god, wait, what did I just do? Oh my gosh. Plug this back inside. I don't know how this works. Did I really just break it? Come on in. Maybe I'm going the wrong way. Oh, I was going the wrong way. Oh my god, so dumb. Okay, alright. Let's plug it back in now. Hold on, let me take this out. Plug this back in. Not plug it in, screw it on. And then plug it in. Use your words. Here we go. Plug it in. Yep, that was easy. Now look, watch this. So it can bend down. So say you want it high up and then bends down. Maybe that's the reason why the light keeps showing up on my eye. Look at that, it's so annoying. Look at that. Look at that, around the circle. No, maybe if I bend it down, that might be better. And that's why we got this one now, yeah? Now if the light is pointing at me, we got our little remote here, point it down. Turn it on. Okay, it's plugged back in. Here we go. On. There we go. That's better, right? That is way better. Here, let's take this one away and you start using this one. See that? Look at that. Without any light, that's how dark it is. But now that we have this one, let's see the difference. On. Yeah, look at that, big difference. But maybe I gotta figure out, maybe I might put it from back here. There we go, that is some light. That is proper, professional. Oh my gosh. Can make it brighter. Look at different colors. Red. Ooh, that's different, huh? Wow. Green. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. Now you guys can see what's going on here, alright? Now this is the proper way. What else we got? Green, red, purple. Ooh, I like purple. Turquoise. Well, there we have it, guys. We have the new light, proper lighting. I mean, seriously, this is where it's at. Go get one. Yeah, look at that. Oof. Wow. Oh yeah. Green. Red. Ooh, look at the red on my face. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, well, give this video a like, and that is the unboxing. We figured out how to use it now, okay? And we got the remote working. We got the light pointed down. That's why you can't see it in my glasses anymore, okay? Oh gosh, that was so terrible. I'll be sitting there editing just like, come on. It's in the glasses, but then if I take it off, I can't see. Where are you guys at? What's going on around here? Oh, there you are. Okay, well, we'll see ya. Like and subscribe. NateVlog out.